Hey y'all, this is going to be my second baking video. I am willing to admit that the first one was kind of a fail because I was completely out of frame. We're going to be using the same brand of mix, but this time we're making muffins. Great brand for vegans, people with celiac disease, anyone who doesn't have dairy, anyone who doesn't have soy, nuts, and anyone on a paleo diet. So they're right here on the back. 10 out of 10. They're great. So yeah, I'm just gonna follow the directions, but we're gonna add a twist. Because these are just regular muffins, I'm going to add blueberries because that's fun. I have 2 half-eaten packs of blueberries, but they'll work. So. First thing it says to do, boom. First I'll need 1 egg or egg replacer, 1/2 cup of melted butter or oil, 1 cup of yogurt, milk, water, or non-dairy substitute. I'm going to be using vanilla almond milk. And that's all we need. The rest comes in here. And then it says 1 cup optional item of your choice, chocolate chips, frozen or fresh blueberries, nuts, or creativity. We love that. Preheat oven at 350 degrees. Grease muffin pan. Okay. I'm gonna make, how much does it say it makes? I'm going to wash this, grease it, and line it with some cupcake tins. What's the difference between a muffin and a cupcake? Like if it's a sweet muffin, why aren't they all just called cupcakes? Just don't really understand that. It's fine. If you know the answer, comment down below what it is, because I would like to learn. All clean. What was the first step again? Oh yeah, grease the muffin tin. If I grease this, then would I have to have cupcake liners? Because I can't find the cupcake liners, I think I'm going to go all rustic. Rustic is the cute word for things that don't always look pretty. So I'm going to cut out squares of parchment paper and I'll push them down into these little circles to make my own little muffin liners. I think I might have done too much, but that's okay. I'd rather them have a little bit too much pan than be sticking to parchment paper. Might not have been the greatest idea, as I am having a little bit of trouble. I think I'm just gonna forgo the parchment paper. That might be where I mess up today, but that's okay. Ooh, preheated. With an electric mixer, beat the egg, melted butter, and yogurt in a bowl. Add dry mix and continue mixing on medium-high speed for 1 to 2 minutes until smooth. Do not overmix. If desired, stir in optional item with spatula. Spoon in batter to muffin pan, 2/3 full. Okay, none of that really processed in my brain, so I'm gonna have to read it again. What if I use the egg substitute that I have in my fridge? Okay, it says that a serving size is about 3 tablespoons. So I think I'm just gonna put 3 tablespoons of just egg into, I feel like a beauty guru, into this bowl. Okay, I only have half a tablespoon measure, so we're gonna do 6 of these. I've had this before just as like a replacement for scrambled eggs. It's pretty gosh darn good. It's made out of mung beans. I don't remember if I said this in my last baking video, but one of the best things about being vegan is that you can have all of the batter that you want, and you definitely won't get salmonella because there's no eggs in it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's like a healthy 6. Like I mentioned in my last few videos, I'm pre-filming a lot of these videos, so you're gonna be seeing them throughout the school year, but I'm actually filming this on Easter Sunday. So I'm going to surprise, not really surprise, my parents know that I'm baking. I'm going to gift some blueberry muffins to my family. Okay, next up, half a cup of melted butter. Or oil. I think it's just easier for me not to melt the butter, so I'm just gonna grab some extra virgin olive oil. Ta-da! Oh. It looks interesting. I think the next ingredient to add is the substitute milk. 1 cup, okay. Non-sweetened, but vanilla, because then I won't have to add any vanilla extract, and this provides sweetener enough. So 2 of these, because I only have half cup. It looks like a lava lamp. Look, this is what it looks like. Ooh. Isn't that yummy? I don't want to whip out an electric mixer because those are kind of a pain. But I should. I've taken too many shortcuts already. I think I grabbed an extra one. Yeah, I grabbed an extra fork. Guys, I'm the safe version of Wolverine. Here. Let's try this. No, I don't think that's right. Experience. Just add all of this in at once. It says. I think I'm gonna do it in increments so that it doesn't all poof up in my face. I think that's half. Okay, then it's the rest. Oh, it's thickening! 'Tis thickening! Look at it! Look. Okay, I think I mixed it pretty well. Oh my gosh, it tastes really good so far. It tastes a lot like olive oil though, which is very good. Washing my hands again because I like my fingers. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of butter. No, that might be a bad idea. I'm gonna fold in some of the blueberries. It said, I think, to put a full cup, maybe a little bit more because I like lots of blueberries. 1 heaping cup, or half a heaping cup. Oh my goodness, I think I just barely had enough. 2 heaping half cups. Yep, don't run away, little blueberry. And another thick cup. Now I'm just gonna fold it in because we want to be gentle. I'm gonna scrape down the sides. Look at it, isn't it gorgeous? I hear music. Don't know where from. I haven't had muffins in I guess a year. I went vegan for Lent of my sophomore year. So yeah, just a little over a year. I haven't had muffins since then. But it tastes pretty good. The batter at least does. So I'm gonna start spooning it into here. And it said to do 2/3 full. Okay, that's like 2/3. I'm gonna move on to the next tin. Standing right next to the oven, it's making my legs very warm. And I'm wearing pants in Miami. No one ever wears pants in Miami because it's just too darn hot. I think I'm going to have to save a lot of this batter for another time because there's a lot. I am not the cleanest of painters as there's a bunch of extra batter on the sides of the tin. Hopefully they don't burn. Oh, I just got another ribbon just going straight across. Oh, I am a messy child. Do you frost muffins or is that only with cupcakes? Another difference, which I don't seem to understand. That looks pretty good to me. Goodness. Yeah. Ah. Ah, dripping. I'm a messy person, but I like cleanliness. Okay, I think they're ready. I am going to put them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. That's a long time. I'm very impatient. Cross your fingers for me. Hopefully they turn out good. Place your bets below. To do the toothpick test. And yeah, hopefully they can come out soon. Blueberry muffins! I think that means they're ready. This is beautiful. This smells good. Yes, it does. One of them, that back one, is the runt of the litter, but it's fine. We can make a gazillion more. They're all golden brown. This one's a little small. And I think they look really nice. I'm gonna wait for them to cool down, and then I can have some with some Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee that my father brought me. Thank you, Father. This is the final muffin. I'm gonna take a bite in the juicy blueberry part. It tastes really good. It tastes like cornbread though. Thanks, Mom. Well, all of the blueberries kind of sunk to the bottom, except one. This is the little guy who stayed up, and this one. Yeah, it's really good. I recommend. Also, coffee. Bye, y'all.